Did you know that a clean home can drastically influence a buyer's decision? Studies reveal that cleanliness directly impacts perceived value, making homes feel more inviting and desirable. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, a retired Army veteran-owned service in San Antonio, dedicated to transforming spaces and enhancing property showings. We understand that first impressions matter, especially in real estate. Our reliable, professional cleaning services are designed to help realtors prepare homes for sale effectively. With quick turnarounds and a keen eye for detail, we ensure that every corner of a home shines before open houses or buyer visits, making it easier for buyers to envision themselves in the space. Here's a quick, tidy tip for realtors. Open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple step enhances a home's appeal, allowing natural light to create warmth and highlight its best features. By choosing TidyTex, you're not just hiring a cleaning service, you're investing in a strategy that helps close deals faster. For more information, check the video description and contact us today to elevate your listings.